Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question is telling us here about Lakshmi, who is a cashier. The question is telling us here about Lakshmi, who is a cashier. And as a cashier, she is having currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The question has given us the ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5 and currency notes are of which rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? The question is asking us to find out the denominations of the number of notes that Lakshmi is having. Now guys, we do not know the denominations. Only we know the ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. So what we can do? Here question is telling that Lakshmi is having rupees 100. Here the question is telling that Lakshmi is having rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 with her. As a cashier, Lakshmi is having rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 with her. And we do not know how many numbers of rupees 100 notes Lakshmi is having, how many numbers of rupees 50 Lakshmi is having, and how many numbers of rupees 10 Lakshmi is having. Only the question has given us the ratio of the numbers of these notes. Question has given us the ratio of the numbers of these notes are is 2:3:5. That means 2 is for 100 notes, 3 is for 50 notes and 10 is for 5 is for 10 notes. This 2 is for 100 notes, this 3 is for 50 notes and this 5 is for 10 notes. Because here the question has given us he has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10 in a particular sequence, rupees 100, 50 and 10. So the ratio will be in that sequence. 2:3:5 will also be of that sequence, 100, 50 and 10. Now let the number of 100 notes with Lakshmi is 2x and number of 50 notes be 3x and number of 10 notes be 5x. How I got these values? I got these values from this ratio. From this ratio 2:3:5. From this ratio I have assumed let the 100 notes, 100 denominations of notes be 3x numbers and 10 rupees notes be of 5x numbers. So from this I have assumed let there are 2x numbers of 100 notes, let there are 3x numbers of 50 notes, 50 rupees notes and let there are 5x numbers of rupees 10 notes. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. So what we got? We got 100 into 2x, 50 into 3x and 5 and 10 into 5x. Now question is telling us that the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. So question is telling us total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How this total cash will come? Let's see. How this total cash will come? Let us see. Now here the total cash will come if we multiply 100 into number of notes. For example, if I am having 100 rupee notes, 2 notes, then I am getting 200. If I am 50 rupees notes, suppose I am having 3 notes, then I am getting 150. So altogether how many rupees I am having? I am having 450 because 100 rupees 2 numbers are there, 50 rupees 3 numbers are there. So 2 into 100 is 200, 150 into 3 is 150. So that means my total notes with me, my total amount with me is 450. So out of which 200 is rupees 100, 150 is rupees 50. Hope guys you are understanding this concept. Now after understanding this concept I can say now rupees 100 into 2x is equal to 200x. Rupees 50 into 3 is 150x, and rupees 10 into 5 is 50x. Why I am doing so? So that I can find out my total value, as I told you. Now 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to this 4 lakhs, is equal to this 4 lakhs. Which question is giving? The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakhs. That means if we add 200x plus 150x plus 50x, we will get 4 lakhs. This is our equation. This is going to be our equation. From this equation, now we can find out the value of x. We got the equation as, what we got? We got the equation as 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakhs. If we solve this equation, then we will get the value of x. Once we get the value of x, we will get the number of notes of each denomination. So, or I can write what we got now. We got 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. This is what being given. This is what being given in the question. So, now let us add this one. 200x plus 150x, 350x plus 50x is 400x. 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. Or I can write 400x divided by 400 is equal to 4 lakhs divided by 400. What I am doing here? Just dividing both these sides, by 400. Just dividing both the sides by 400. Why I am dividing? I want to eliminate this 400 from x so that I can get the value of x. I want to eliminate this 400. If I want to eliminate this 400, I need to divide this 400 with 400 or by 400. If I am dividing this 400 by 400, I need to also divide the right side of the number with 400 or by 400, so that our equation becomes same. So that our equation, the total equation becomes same. It doesn't change. So we are dividing the left side of the equation with 400 and the right side of the equation by 400. Or I can write now x is equal to, because this 400 and this 400 cancels out, we got x is equal to 400 ones are 400. So what we got? X is equal to 1000. We got x is equal to 1000. Now guys, what we considered? We considered let there are 2x numbers of rupees 100 notes. We consider 2x numbers of 100 rupees, 3x numbers of 50 rupees, 5x numbers of 10 rupees. So let us replace these values. We got 2x numbers of rupees 100. That means 2 into 1000, that is 2000 numbers, of rupees 100 we got. Then we consider 3x numbers of rupees 50. That means 3 into 1000. Just we are replacing the value of x what we got here in this step. So that is 3000 numbers of rupees 50. And we considered 5x numbers of rupees 10. That means 5 into 1000, that is 5000 numbers of rupees 10. And one thing guys, if we multiply these things, we will get 2 lakh here. We will get rupees 2 lakhs here. We will get rupees 1,50,000 here, and we will get 50,000 here. Let us do that. So 2 lakhs, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 lakhs, and here 1,50,000, 1,50,000, and here 50,000. So if I add these together, what we will get? If I add this together, we should get 4 lakh. Let's see we are getting 4 lakh or not. If we get 4 lakh, then our calculation is perfect. So rupees 2 lakh plus 1,50,000 is 3,50,000. 3,50,000 plus 50,000 is 4 lakhs. So we got 4 lakhs. That means the calculation is correct. Now guys, what the question has asked us. Let us just look to the question once again so that we can close our answer. How many nodes of each denomination does C have? The question is asking us how many nodes of each denomination does C have. Now we can put our concluding answer saying that. We can put our concluding answer saying that what we got? We got 2000 numbers of rupees 100, 3000 numbers of rupees 50 and 5000 numbers of rupees 10. So we can write hence Lakshmi is having, hence C is having 2000 numbers of rupees 100, 2000 numbers of rupees 100 notes. We can write 3000 numbers of rupees 50 notes, and finally we can write 5000 numbers of rupees 10 notes. You can write these things in your own words also. It doesn't make any mistake or any error. You can write these things in your own words also. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to understand the question. If we understand the question, then it would be very easy to answer these type of questions. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.